What wig? Hey, what wig? What are you talking about? Right guys, now that you are aware of what's coming on today, this jam-packed video, let's get started. This is my hair at 2 months post relaxer. New growth is new growth, isn't it? So it's a protein treatment day, so I'm doing the hair mayonnaise. I clarify my hair first with that cream Aloe Shampoo by ORS at 8 weeks post. Guys, look at my new growth. I'm so excited. This is gonna be fun. So I put my hair up in session, going in there everywhere, practically everywhere, the root, the end, the mid part, literally everywhere. I need this protein treatment to give me what it needs to give me, because I'm about to start easing my way back into protective styling. So I clarify my hair once a month with that cream Aloe Shampoo, just to, especially when I'm gonna do protein treatment. So it's kind of a good idea to do that first, so it thoroughly detox your hair, allow room for that protein treatment to receive. So off camera, I went in on top of that with the moisturizing conditioner with Queen Helen cholesterol. Although I did not record how I did that, but I always follow up a protein treatment with a moisturizing conditioner just to make sure my hair don't become too stiff. So I've rinsed that Queen Helen off. As of this minute, my hair is kind of, as you can see, in a damp state. So I'm just gonna, prepare it for my leave-in conditioner. Because I am going to be blow drying it, because I am going to be having a trim. So before I do that, I went in, add my hair leave-in conditioner, as well as Treatment heat spray, heat protectant. So I add those two to it, and the Tangole, I'm going in now with my blow dryer. Nothing special, just a regular blow dryer with a comb attachment to it. The reason I'm doing this blow drying today, not because I'm going to be wearing my hair out, but because I'm preparing my hair for a trim, and it's a little bit easier on the hair to run a refined tooth comb through hair during trimming when the hair is blow dry, as opposed to when it's air dried. I don't know if that is making any sense, but I think I know what I'm talking about. So the only reason I'm blow drying my hair today is purely because I need a trim, well overdue trim. So stick around and see how I do. Okay, it's time to do some damage. Guys, I'm really wary of how much I take off. As you can see, my ends are quite dead. 6 full months and plus, I haven't trimmed my hair. So I'm using, this scissors is only for trimming my hair only. I do not use this scissors in any other shape or form or activity, only for when I'm trimming my hair, which is kind of twice a year, depending on how good I'm looking after my hair. I usually go as I see fit, to be honest with you, but roughly twice a year. So what I did is pretty much part that section you just saw out, stretch it as far as I can get away with, and just trim the smallest amount as possible. I'm working on it not to get scissors happy. I've done that in the past. You can see the fine tooth comb I'm using to comb my hair. So imagine doing this exactly what I'm doing right now with air dried hair. Is gonna be very, very harsh on the hair, and you're gonna lose a lot of hair. So I recommend you blow dry your hair first. As you can see, the hair coming out is pretty dead, so I'm not gonna miss it.
Some more, baby, you dey busting me brain. Hey, would you give me some more? Only if you open my mind. You will see that is love that me finding. I no go rush, I swear I'm taking my time. It be like say you knock me juju. You go chop love belleful. Hey, if you agree to give me some more, make you know say na me and you. I go love you from COP down to the end. Baby girl, reason my matter. For my heart you dey occupy space, so I don't know what you've done to me. I cannot control it, oh baby, make it calm down. Too proper, make it knock me some more. Oh yeah, push further. Oh my LA, no they act for ma, make it lighter.
So I repeat the process all through that side I was trimming. I repeat that process all through. So as you can see, it's a very subtle difference. So I didn't want to overdo it. I can always go back in a few months time and go in a bit if I'm need to. So this side is cut, the other side hasn't been cut. Very subtle difference. So you can see the reason why you shouldn't overdo it. You can see the difference is clear now that my hair is all trimmed all through.
I beg, give me some more, baby, you don't bust in my medulla. Aye. Baby, me,
This session is going to be my leave out, so I want to make sure all the raggedy ends are gone. I need to pamper this part.
Give me some more, girl, you just scatter my medulla. Would you give?
I went into moisturize and sealed in sessions.
Me, I want some more. Hey, would you give me some more? Baby, me, I want some more. Hey, would you give me some more? Girl, you just scatter my medulla. Would you give me some more? Baby, you dey busting me brain.
It didn't look like I cut a lot of hair during cutting this hair, but look at the difference it's made. It's extremely clear. Moving on to cornrowing my hair. I always have that one cornrow at the nape of my hair. I own the half of the nape of my hair to that first cornrow that I always do.
You already know I'm shining now. Boy from the ghetto doing big. Oh yeah, I'm in my zone. Sit back and I was snoozing. I'm in my zone.
So I had the rest of the hair going straight back after that first cornrow on the nape. Nothing special. This is gonna be on that wig. I went on my scalp to add the Lynn Stafford hair growth serum. This is a video for another day, guys.
Hey, it's so obvious that you're feeling my swag. Stop pretending I'm bored. I'm so focused on the way that you move and the things that you do. Girl, please, would you be?
So I added a little bit more moisturizer onto the length of my hair just before I cornrow it back up. I have just finished trimming it, so I need to do everything I can now to make sure my ends are moisturized and then do not break up. So I put this into a big plait and I'm gonna tuck the ends right into it so that my hair is nice and protected. So everyone wondering why I'm doing this now. So until this point, until when I'm 2 months post, I've worn my hair out all through. And if you follow me on TikTok, you'll be able to see all my videos I was wearing my hair. So having a leave out like I've just done, it's gonna give my edges a lot of break, because on my last relaxer stretch I wig it all through. So I just around about got away with it. So I'm doing something slightly differently. So I went in with my wig cap along with wig grip just to make sure that wig stays in place. I'm using Kinky coily hair that I've pre-made, part already created. I'm just gonna slick that in, then unravel that cornrow that kind of look like it's gonna be my leave out to cover everything and make it look more natural. I'm gonna blend that in. So I will be wearing this on and off for the next 4 weeks, just to give my edges that little break rest. So after I'm 3 months post, then I can move on to a full, all covered hardcore protective style that will be then taking me into my 6 months relaxer stretch.
It's always nice to meet you. I'm AC. I'm in my zone. Oh girl, sit back and I was snoozing. I'm in my zone. Oh girl, yeah, I ain't going back now. I'm in my zone.
What are you talking about? Eh? Come on. Wig where? Woo! Eh? What wig? What wig are you talking about? So there you go. Yeah. So this is gonna be me the next 4 weeks. I will take it off, I'll wash it, rebraid it, you know, the usual gist. But for the most part, this is what I will be doing. Cheat